Imagine quitting your 9 to 5, sipping a drink on a beach while money flows into your account automatically. That's the passive income dream everyone's selling. But what if I told you that for most people, chasing it the wrong way leads to more work, unexpected costs, and major frustration? I've dug deep into the research, financial sites, real investor stories, IRS rules, and current market data, and the truth is, sustainable passive income isn't what you think. It's not effortless magic. In the next few minutes, I'll bust the biggest myths, show you the hidden realities with real numbers, and share what actually builds income that lasts. Stick around to the end. I'm revealing the approach that comes closest to truly hands-off, plus simple steps to start. If you want realistic financial freedom, this could change how you think about money forever. Let's get into it. First, what even is passive income? At its core, it's money earned with little ongoing daily effort after an initial setup. The IRS calls it income from rentals or businesses where you don't materially participate. Popular examples include rental properties, stock dividends, royalties, or digital products. The goal? Replace or supplement your active paycheck so your time is freer. Sounds great, but here's where the hype falls apart. Passive rarely means zero work or zero risk. Sustainable means it lasts through recessions, inflation, life changes, and actually nets you money after taxes and expenses. Myth number 1, it's completely effortless. Set it and forget it forever. Reality, almost nothing is truly set and forget. Every stream demands serious upfront work and ongoing tweaks. Take rental real estate, the classic example. Gross yields in the US average around 6.5%, but after property taxes, insurance, maintenance, often 1 to 2% of value yearly, vacancies and repairs, net cash flow is frequently much lower. Many investors see 3 to 5% or target 8 to 12% cash-on-cash returns. But unexpected costs can wipe that out. One broken roof or bad tenant, and your passive income becomes an active headache at 2 a.m. Myth number 2, it's a quick path to riches. Reality, building sustainable streams takes time, often years of consistent effort and capital. Dividend stocks? The S&P 500 yield is currently around 1.1 to 1.2%. To generate meaningful income, you need substantial principal built through saving and compounding over a decade or more. Digital products like online courses or ebooks, creating and marketing them is active work. Then competition, algorithm changes, or outdated content means ongoing updates or sales drop. Research shows most people underestimate the 6 to 12 plus months of setup and years to scale. Myth number 3, one stream is enough and basically risk-free. Reality, markets crash, platforms change rules, tenants leave, borrowers default. Relying on a single source is dangerous. Taxes matter too. Passive activity loss rules are strict, and even passive earnings get taxed. Diversification isn't optional for sustainability. It's essential. So what does sustainable passive income really look like? It's realistic, diversified, and resilient. The closest to truly hands-off, broad market index funds or dividend ETFs. You invest once or dollar cost average, hold long-term, and let compounding plus modest dividends work. Low fees, built-in diversification across hundreds or thousands of companies. Historical total returns, including growth, have averaged 7 to 10% over long periods, though current yields are lower. Other strong options, REITs for real estate exposure without landlording headaches, or high-yield savings and CDs for ultra-safe but lower returns that require literally zero management beyond setup. For skill-based streams, evergreen digital content or products can become semi-passive if you focus on quality and automation, but plan for occasional maintenance. The foundation of sustainability. Build capital from active income first. Diversify across 3 to 5 plus streams. Account for inflation, taxes, and a cash buffer. Stay educated and adjust as needed. Patience is non-negotiable. True freedom compounds over time. Biggest pitfalls? Chasing hype without research, over-leveraging, or expecting overnight results, which leads to burnout or losses. Start small and realistic. Open a brokerage account. Automate contributions to a low-cost index fund. Learn one new skill for a digital product or explore REITs. Track everything. The people who succeed treat it like a long-term business, not a lottery. To wrap it up, sustainable passive income is possible and powerful, but it's built on honest effort upfront, smart diversification, and realistic expectations, not magic. The real win is understanding this so you avoid the traps and build something that actually lasts. If this video gave you a clearer, more truthful path, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS finance breakdowns, and comment below